Never thought changing a room would be this hard. And that I'm not changing somewhere else. I'm changing to next room. It's heavy. The main character. I got this never give up attitude from this guy. I got this award almost like 4 years ago. All my awards here for cricket. These are for my player of the match, and this is when we won the tournament, and this is when I took 5 in a match. I came to Australia with just this that small trophy, what's this called? Luggage bags or trolleys, whatever it is, whatever they are. This bag has all the lights I use in my set. All the lights, stands, everything is in this bag. For some reason I have 2 yoga mats and I use only one of them. I don't know what to do with the other one. Maybe I will sell it. Good old mirror. Table fan in Australia. Bought this laptop like 4 years ago and I don't know why I'm still keeping this. I have to throw away my old things. I don't know when I will do it. More coats.
చాలా డివస్టేటింగ్ గా మాట్లాడాడు, చాలా తప్పుగా మాట్లాడాడు దాని గురించి.
ఫస్ట్ నుంచి అలా మిక్సీలో మిక్స్ అండ్ మ్యాచ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు లాస్ట్కి
వీడియో రికార్డింగ్ లో ఉందా? ఎందుకు?
ఇది నేను యూట్యూబ్లో పడతాను.
యూట్యూబ్లో పడ్డానికా? ఇప్పుడు నా మాటలు ఎన్ని
ఉన్నాయి? I'm already exhausted and I haven't even moved 10% of the stuff. The hard part is I have 4 monitors and the other room I'm moving now is actually very small compared to the room in now. So I don't know how I'm going to fit all of this into that room. Good old CPU. I'm still not using it because I need to buy a GPU and I don't think I have few chips in this. I have to install those and start using it, and I don't know when I will start it. Indian